So this is where we are going to do the guided practice. The first thing you're going to need to do is download a copy of the practice. Once you've done that, you can either print it out and work directly on the paper, or you can just use a blank piece of paper to solve the problems. You're going to complete each problem of the guided practice, pause the video before the solution is given, and try to solve each problem. Unpause it if you get stuck, or to check if you are correct. Here we go. This is number 1 of the guided practice. It says use partial sums, show your work, use place value blocks if needed. What we're going to do, even though it already has the answer here, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through step by step the same way that I showed you during last lesson. So what I'm going to do is we have 425, and that is equal to 400 plus 20 plus 5. So we're breaking up the addends into expanded form. And then we have 148, and that equals 100 plus 40 plus 8. And we're going to add those together. So 400 plus 100 is 500. 20 plus 40 is 60. And 5 plus 8 is 13. When we add those together, 500 plus 60 is 560. 560 plus 13 is 573. And what I want you to focus on is this hundreds partial sum is going to be the same as the hundreds partial sum. The tens partial sum is right here, and the ones partial sum is right here. It is the exact same thing, just with a different format. So however you want to work it is perfectly fine, but this is how you do partial sums. Pause here, solve number 2, and then unpause it when you either are finished and have the sum, or when you need a little bit of help. So pause now. All right, this is number 2 of the guided practice, 394 plus 276. What we're going to do, the same way that I did it before, just break it up into expanded form. So 394 equals 300 plus 90 plus 4. 276 is equal to 200 plus 70 plus 6. And we're going to add the partial sums together. 300 plus 200 is 500. 90 plus 70 is 160. And 4 plus 6 is 10. When we add those together, 500 plus 160 is 660, plus 10 is 670. So the sum is 670. And that's the guided practice.